Okay, so it looks like there's a slight change of plan with Sean's Beetle. Just turn the camera around and explain what we've been doing. He bought a repair section cut off of a Mexican VW panel to repair this accident damage down there. But after talking to him today, we were discussing the captive nuts. Would have been odd. He'd have had the lighter this style captive nut on the bottom half of the right hand quarter, and then this right hand quarter would have had all the square ones, so it'd been a bit of a mix. So he's decided to fit this full front quarter we had, and he's found one for the right hand side. So we'll be fitting 2 full quarters now instead of repairing the right hand side, and it's going to save us quite a lot of work because this one's really rough round there, and it's got I don't know if you can see there's holes, all holes around here, and on the return lips rough. And it saves that repair, and that needed redoing because it ain't very nice. So yeah, we'll get two genuine Mexican front quarters in there, and then repair the front washer bottle recess area, and the front will be good. Okay, the Mexican quarter panel's got a couple of holes that need welding up. One of them's for the indicator on the side. It was factory on a Mexican car, but not on the German car. And the captive nuts in the front bumper hanger. There's two of them are missing, so I needed to weld those in. And I also had to remove the fuel tank support panel on the inside because they never line up with the originals. So yeah, I cut all that off and tidied it all up, ready to weld in. Okay, so that quarter panel's ready to go in there, but before I cut the original one off, I want to get the body on the floor pan and on the jib. But before I do that, I want to repair this front bulkhead, which at first, on the inside, it don't look terrible. If I try to show you underneath. It's gone all the way along both sides, and the other side of it under the fuel tank. That's pretty bad as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split the drill spot welds out of this repair panel. I'm going to probably repair this skin first, and then get the inner skin on, doing two separate jobs. So that's what I'll be doing next. Yeah, that's one of the reasons we want to take them apart, because there's nothing inside to protect them really, and it's all rusty. So I'll clean that up now and get some epoxy in there and some weld through. Okay, so that's the welding on the front bulkhead finished. Just show you what it looks like now. Just got to tidy the corners up once the front quarter panel's off. Just show you in there. And seamed it round the channels. We've left the sides, so they need to be spot welded to the new quarters. And plug weld it across the top and ground it down, and the same underneath. Yeah, so that's that all done. So what we'll be doing next is getting the body onto Sean's chassis, which is on the jig. To do that tomorrow. Make sure everything lines up okay, and then start cutting the front quarter off. And that'll be the next video. So that's the end of this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.